हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्पार्क ट्यूटोरियल्स। तो आज हम देखने वाले स्टैंडर्ड 4th का EVS2 का लेसन नंबर 8 डिफेट ऑफ इंटरनल एनिमीज के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। तो जो भी आंसर्स हम देखने वाले हैं वो शॉर्ट में होने वाले कि आगे जाके आपको लर्निंग में प्रॉब्लम ना हो। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। फर्स्ट, फाइंड आउट द रॉन्ग पेयर। ए फलटन निंबाळकर, बी जावड़ी मोरे, सी सुपे जाधव। सो रॉन्ग पेयर इज सुपे एंड जाधव। द करेक्ट पेयर इज संभाजी मोहिते ऑफ सुपे. Second, write the answer in one sentence. A. What title was conferred by Adil Shah upon the More of Zawdi? Answer. The title Chandra Rao was conferred upon the Mores of Zawdi by Adil Shah. B. Why was the conquest of Zawdi a very important landmark? Answer. The conquest of Zawdi was a very important landmark because this doubled the boundaries of the Swaraj under Shivaji. Third, write the answer in 2 or 3 sentences. A. Why did no one cross More's path? Answer. More was the Jagirdar of Zawdi, extending from Raigad to Koyna Valley. Zawdi was covered with such a thick forest and was full of wildlife. More's Zawdi was thus like a tiger's hideout. No one therefore crossed the More's path. B. What note did Shivaji send to Yashwantrao More? Answer. Shivaji sent a note to Yashwantrao More stating, "You call yourself the Raja, but I am the Raja of this territory. This kingdom is Lord Shiva's gift to me, so do not call yourself the Raja." Okay student, that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. Then do like, comment and share. And for more such videos, subscribe to Study Spark Tutorials. We will meet in the next video. Till that, keep learning.